Welcome back to my channel. It's Valentina here, and today I'm back with another video. So today guys, I have these beautiful baby dolls to try on for you with high slits and matching panties. I have two to show you. Already wearing my first one, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, as always, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also guys, don't forget to check out my exclusive pages where you can see behind the scenes of all of my videos and so much more. You'll find the links to everything down below in the description box. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Alright guys, so here is the first one. Like I said, this one is hot pink, mesh and lace baby doll that is maxi with a high slit on the left side. Super duper cute. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you guys can see what it looks like. I love the lace trimming here all along the sides. Very cute. And it does come with matching panties, which I love that, as you guys know. I'll show you what it looks like from the back. And then I have another pair of panties that I want to try on with this baby doll just to see what looks better. It only came with one matching panty, but I want to try something else. But anyway, this is what it looks like from the back. You can see it's like super nice and form-fitting. I really like it. I love the way it looks from the front and the back, but especially from the front. I feel like it's very nice from the front. Right? Let me know what you think. So, the pair of panties that I have to try on with this are these. As you can see, they match the collar perfectly. They actually even match the lace. They did not come with this baby doll, but I think they may be even more perfect than the ones that it came with, because these are nice. They're like very plain. So let me put the other ones on and see if they actually do look better. Alright, they are on now. Let's see. What do we think? What do you think? Do you think they look better? I think so. They match the lace. They definitely match the color. I love them. I think they look great. And from the back,